Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through some steps on how to implement the flipped classroom model in your classroom. Let's start with the definition of a flipped classroom. This is a model in which the typical lecture and homework elements of a course are reversed. The goal is to give the lesson outside of class and then have students complete an assignment in class. Implementing the flipped classroom is easy. To begin, the teacher must identify if they are going to use a resource they found online, such as a documentary, or if they are going to create something on their own. For example, I would have my students watch the video I made about the collapse of the Soviet Union, and then have the students write an in-class essay with information from the video. The video does not have to be very long, just long enough to fully explain what they are learning about. It may be helpful, if using an outside source, to have a guide telling your students what to pay attention to or what they should be thinking about while watching the video. If creating your own video, give your students something to look forward to. For example, I asked the students to locate and write down the terms that have been bolded. When the class meets, be sure to leave enough time to answer any questions your students may have about the video they watched before starting the assignment. For the in-class assignment, you could use a variety of methods. In my example, I had my students complete an essay. I gave them a specific question to answer. I chose this method as it encompassed a specific standard that included a written piece. Instead of an in-class essay, you could have your students answer multiple questions in groups, then conduct a class discussion based on the questions. For a math teacher, you could have a video on how to work a certain kind of problem, and then have your students team up to work a problem or two together. This type of instruction is a good way to break up the monotony of the typical classroom lecture. With the video, students are able to go back and re-watch if they missed something or need a better understanding of a concept. And remember, have fun with this.